Hello, and welcome to Name That BFDI Sound. I'm your host, Speech Bubble. The first contestant is Skull. Our next contestant is Laser Beam. And our third, Raspberry Scented Candle. So let's get to the sounds. Our first sound is... That must have been Bubble saying Joyo Cake. Correct. Next sound is... That was David. Correct, Skull. And our next sound is... That was Leafy yelling. Correct, Laser Beam. You just earned 1 point. And our next sound is... That was Fiery yelling. Or screaming. I really don't know. But yeah, anyway, correct. You are the winner, Laser Beam. You have won $1,000. And good luck.